sir. How are you? What do you think physics is all about?
I'm good, and you? For me, physics is about understand how the universe works. It's the study of matter, energy, and the fundamental laws that govern anything around us.
It's a great start. Physics help us make sense of phenomena from the smallest subatomic particle to the vastness of the cosmos.
It's not just about theory. Physics has countless practical applications in technology, engineering, and even in medicine.
Absolutely, think about it. Without physics, we don't have smartphones, computers, or medical advancements.
That's true. That's true. Physics drives innovation and improves our daily lives in so many ways.
So, so why do you think physics is important?
Well, well, physics help us understand the world around us and the universe, which in turn drives the technological advancements and solve real-world problems.
I agree. I agree. Physics also fosters critical thinking, problem solving skills, and analytical reasoning, essential skills for many careers.
Plus, plus physics inspires curiosity and wonder, encouraging us to explore and discover more about the world around us.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.